Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be combining some corn. We're fixing the combine right now and had some troubles. I just walked up here in the barn a minute just to wait for my dad to get back. So this is the 151 farm. I'll kind of give you guys a little tour here. It's full of bales up here. Let's climb up. So yeah, there's a lot of pigeons up here. I think I'm gonna head back down and I'll show you guys what we're doing outside. So I'll see you guys then. Heading back downstairs. So this is the bottom of the barn. Pigeons down here too. So it's all free stalls, and then in the winter they come in here, which it is the end of October, as you can tell. I have a hat on. It is chilly. Today is October 31st. Tomorrow will be November. So yeah. I'll walk out here a minute. Shut this back up. The latch doesn't work on it. What do you expect? It's an old barn. Skid loader we push manure with. We push out of the barn and out of the farmyard over here. So yeah. And then we're combining here. The highway's right there. Bale forks for up in the mow. Working on the combine right now. We gotta get some bolts for the window. We were cleaning it out and we lost them, so we gotta go get some of them. Yeah, so we have this field and then another field in town yet, and then that will be it. So I guess I'll walk down here through the pen and show you guys what we're. Looks like somebody needs to scrape manure. So it's their bale feeder for in the winter. All year round, pretty sure. It is a big old barn. It's right next to the highway. It's quite manure-y in here. So yeah, they once milk cows here. On the cow yard out there. Yeah, so there's the pasture out there, and then silo. Grain carts over there too. So it's a little tour of the 151 farm. Yeah. Down here's the pasture. We got a lot of corn left to do in that field. I don't know how much droning I'll be doing today, because I'm doing some traffic work down there. Hey ladies, how are you guys doing? Come here. Say hi. Got anything to say? Nothing? Nothing. So that's their pasture out there. Yeah, and then we push all the manure there and we'll haul it. What do you think? Nice chilly day. Yeah. Feed wagons out there. They're getting pretty rotten. I think you guys might see us get 2 new feed carts here pretty soon, hopefully. So, yeah. And then we rent that field cart right there. We rent one every fall. But yeah. So, oh, here they come. Ladies, what do you think? Have a good day? Yeah. Alright, well, I'll probably see you guys in a little while. Probably back at the farm. We're gonna finish fixing up here and we'll probably get started combining. So I'll see you guys back at the home farm. Looks like we're gonna move a bale out a minute or something. Yeah, moving a bale. Bringing it down by the heifers. See you guys back at the farm. Okay guys, we're back at the farm and pushing up some feed now, so we'll do that. I got done with pushing up feed, and that windshield's really dirty as you guys can see, so we're gonna clean that up. I will prop you guys up to do that. Prop you up somewhere. A minute. Is that good? Good enough. That's not gonna work. Grab something else. Yes. Hold on. Something in the gator. There's a towel. Walk over here a minute. Grab a towel out of the gator. Can use that. Prop you guys back up. There, that's better. I don't know, I might have to hold it down. Oh, no, we're getting there. This is what happens to a skid loader windshield when it's on a farm. It gets dirty. real dirty. Get the other side now. Set this over here. It's good enough. It's good enough. Put the rag in that back over here. The rag down there. Now that's all nice and clean. Hop back up in the skid loader. And rough. I put the bucket on because I'm going to need it for lime later. There's Blake pulling tarp off the bunker. Or not off the bunker, off the soybean bales. It has been a couple of hours since I filmed. That was this morning when you saw last. Yeah. There we go. Put this up. Open the door. And we're good. Parked it over here by the transition line. Yeah, so I don't know how much more videoing there'll be today. We got a lot of stuff done, but if there's anything else, I'll show you guys. So, see you guys in a minute, I guess. Well, guys, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, share this video, and yeah. So, me and Blake, we just took a little bit of haylage off that pile, or took a little bit of plastic in the tires. Yeah, the sun's starting to set. Yeah, so again, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.